A very warm good afternoon to all the attendees. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are about to start our session. And in this session, we are going to talk about order processing, how to process your orders on Flipkart. So I'll just take you through a process flow. But before that, we would like to understand if you all can see the screen and hear my voice. For that, I'm sending you a poll. And I would request all the attendees to please address the poll and update me with your responses. If the screen is visible and the voice is audible to you, please click on yes. If you're facing any issue, please click on no and give me an update. Poll is visible on your screens now. I request all the attendees to please give me an update. If that is visible, if you can see the blue screen with order processing written on it, which means the screen is visible. Thank you very much, everyone. As I can see, most of the attendees are not facing any issue. There are few people who are facing little bit of issue with either viewing the screen or hearing my voice. This could be because of network error. I would request you to please check your network once. If required, you can re-log into the session as well. Green Height, is my voice audible? Okay. Okay, great. Thank you very much. Thank you for the update, everyone. As I can see, people are still joining in. Let's wait for 1 more minute and then we will start the session. मिस्टर दीपक जी, हम सेशन बिल्कुल अभी स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. कुछ लोग स्टिल ज्वाइन इन कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हम 1 मिनट वेट कर रहे थे. Just give me a few more seconds and we'll start this session. Sure, Mr. Subhash. Thank you for the concern. Uma, I would request you to please check your network once. रोमिक सुतारिया जी, आज का सेशन इंग्लिश सेशन है. हिंदी सेशन के लिए आपको नेक्स्ट सेशन ज्वाइन करना होगा. Okay, so let's begin our session for the day. Today we are going to talk about order processing. So we'll understand how to process your orders on Flipkart. So before we process orders on Flipkart, we need to understand what is order processing. So order processing is a process or a workflow associated with picking, packing, and delivery of the packed item to a shipping carrier, and it is a key element of order fulfillment. So this entire process or workflow that I just explained is called order processing. Now let's understand how to process an order. So you have to navigate yourself to active orders under orders tab. Then you will select your location from the drop down on top right hand side corner. Let me show this to you in the portal as well. That will give you a better clarity. I hope the seller dashboard is visible to everyone. Okay. So here, go to your orders tab. You see first drop down option as active orders. Select active orders and you will be directed to my orders page. Here you will have to select your warehouse location and you will see your orders tab. Now here all your orders will be visible and everything is segregated clearly so that you don't have any difficulty finding the status of your orders. So whenever order is raised by customer, it comes to upcoming orders. Once your orders are approved by your hub, depending on their capacity, it moves from upcoming orders to pending labels. Now under pending labels, you will select your order ID, generate a label for it. Once you generate a label, your order will move to pending RTD. So you have to pack your order, affix the label on your secondary packaging, insert the invoice in your packaging, and then select your order ID and mark it as RTD. RTD means ready to dispatch. So once you mark your order as RTD, it will move from pending RTD to pending handover. So once it moves to pending handover, a notification goes to our logistic team. They will come and pick up the order from your warehouse. Once your order is picked up, it will move from pending handover to dispatched orders. And you will also get a manifest wherein you can cross check which order has been picked up and you can take an acknowledgement of the logistic partner who's coming to pick up your product for your future reference. So once your order is picked up, it will move to dispatched orders in transit. In transit is a state when the order has been picked up from your warehouse and it is yet to reach the customer. Once it reaches the customer, it moves to completed orders, which means the order has been handed over to the customer. In case your order requires a post delivery service, then after in transit, it will move to pending services. Once the post delivery service is completed, it will move to completed orders. So this is the entire workflow of order processing. In case of returns, you can go to orders tab again and click on returns. Whenever a return is initiated, you will see a request here under Return Request tab. And once the request has been approved by Flipkart, it will show under Approved. Once that return shipment has been picked up from customer's place, it will show under In Transit. And once it reaches your warehouse, it will show under Return Completed tab. I hope it is clear now. There's one more thing that I would like to mention here in Orders tab. So here you can take bulk action also. If you have many orders to process, click on bulk action, download the bulk file, and make changes in your bulk file and upload it back here. So for example, here is the downloaded file. Just give me a moment. So here is the downloaded file. Since I'm using a dummy account, the data is empty. So this is how you can make necessary changes in your bulk file. Do not change this file name, keep it as it is. If you change this file name, you will not be able to upload it back in the system. So keep the file name as it is and you can upload it back again here. Here you can select and upload it back. And if you want to purchase packaging material, just click on Get Flipkart Packaging Material under Pending Labels, and you'll be directed to Seller Learning Center page from where you can select whichever packaging material you want to purchase. Everything has been clearly segregated for your reference, so you can choose the appropriate packaging material for yourself and make a purchase. Also, there are a couple of things that you should keep in mind. When you're filling your order details, make sure that you provide your shipping dimension, IMEI number, etc. Once you have clicked on process labels or upload a bulk file in upload file, your orders are processed by system and shipping labels and invoices are downloaded. Now, once you have shipping label and invoices, complete the order packaging process by picking the product, packaging the shipment, and pasting label on the product shipment. Put the invoice inside the shipment as I mentioned. And always make sure that once you hand over your order to logistic partner, please take their acknowledgement signature on the count of shipment on your paper manifest, so you keep it safe for future reference. So it's time to address your queries. Now, if you have any questions, you can post your questions here in the Q&A box related to order processing. I hope the entire workflow is clear to everyone now. If you have any questions related to order processing, please post those questions. If you have questions or concerns regarding something else, I would request you to please post those questions to seller support team. In this session, we will be discussing only about order processing. We are about to start our question and answer round in a minute. Before we move ahead, I would like to understand how was today's presentation? Was it helpful to you? This poll would be regarding only the presentation today. Once this poll is over, we will start with our question and answer round. So don't worry. Whatever doubts that you have regarding order processing, all your questions will be answered. Right now, I would request everyone to please update me with your feedback. How would you like to rate today's presentation? A poll will be visible on your screens now. I request all the attendees to please address the poll and update me with your feedback. Thank you very much for your kind feedback, everyone. मिस्टर दीपक गोला, आपका सवाल है अभी तक कस्टमर केयर क्यों नहीं अवेलेबल है कॉल पर? सर, जैसा कि हम हर बार बताते हैं, हम सब वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हैं इस पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन के कारण, इसीलिए वो कॉल्स पर अवेलेबल नहीं है. बट हम दूसरा सिस्टम चालू करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, कॉल बैक ऑप्शन, जिसमें आप एक कॉल बैक रिक्वेस्ट रेज कर सकते हैं ताकि आपको सेलर सपोर्ट टीम से कॉल आए और आपकी जो भी क्वेरी है आप वो रिजॉल्व कर सकें. ये सिस्टम जो है बहुत जल्द शुरू होने वाला है, सो यू विल गेट एन अपडेट ऑन दिस. रोमिक सुतारिया जी, अगला सेशन जो है, सेशंस हर रोज होते हैं. आप इसका टैब रखें, आपको जब जो सेशन अटेंड करना होगा, स्पेसिफिकली आप हिंदी लैंग्वेज में अटेंड करना चाहते हैं तो मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि आप हिंदी सेशंस के लिए रजिस्टर करें. दीपक गोला जी, आपको सेलर सपोर्ट टीम को फिलहाल रीच आउट करने के लिए टिकट रेज करना होगा ईमेल में. रोमिक सुतारिया जी, आज का सेशन इंग्लिश में है तो आज का वीडियो भी इंग्लिश में ही होगा. मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ, आप स्पेसिफिकली अगर हिंदी सेशन अटेंड करना चाहते हैं तो आप हिंदी के लिए रजिस्टर करिएगा, या आपके कोई सवाल है हिंदी में तो आप पूछ सकते हैं, मैं आपको जवाब दे दूंगी. सेम गोज टू मिस्टर आकेश पाल. Shailu Rawat, you must be facing some technical issue with marking RTD. I would request you to take screenshot of each and raise a ticket with seller support team so that you get an update. Please check if your SLA is still 2 days or you have marked it as express. If you have marked it as express, that is why after 2 hours you are seeing the breach. Shailu, request you to check that and raise a ticket with seller support. Mr. Janardhan R, your question is how many rupees will you deduct for courier return? Sir, it depends from product category to category. I'm not sure which category you're dealing in. But what you can do is you can go to rate card section and check there what will be the return charges. Kanika Bhatia, your question is what is IMEI number? Kanika, it is mobile phone identification code. Kashan, we will be doing a separate session for smart fulfillment order processing. Shaili Rawat, RTD breaches happens if you don't mark your product as RTD on time. That's why since you mentioned it is 2 hours, I said please check if you have moved your listing to Express. If yes, then it will show as RTD breach. However, still you're facing technical issue with generating a label, so I would request you to please raise a ticket with seller support. Mr. Rahul Kumar, no, this session is for seller fulfillment. We'll do a separate session for smart fulfillment also. Hasti Zaveri, please post your question. What exactly you want to know about F assured orders? Jaivel A, your question is after pending handover, the order has been cancelled by the customer. So how long will get the return? Jaivel, if the order has been handed over to logistic team, then you can check the status in the returns tab. You will get an update there. Muskan Global, your question is how to avoid RTD breaches. Please mark your product as RTD on time within your SLA. Apologies. Next question is by Realme U1. Order growth to Flipkart. Realme, do you have any question? You can post it. Kshitij Agarwal, again, we are not discussing smart fulfillment at the moment. I would request you to please attend the relevant webinar. We'll be doing another session for smart fulfillment. अनुष सैनी, आपका क्वेश्चन है मैम मेरे पिकअप बॉय के पास मेरा अकाउंट नेम नहीं आ रहा है। अनुष, ज़रूरी नहीं है एक ही पिकअप बॉय आपका ऑर्डर अटेंड करने के लिए आए। मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि एक बार आप सेलर सपोर्ट टीम के साथ एक टिकट रेज कर दें। अपना ऑर्डर आईडी ज़रूर मेंशन कीजिएगा टिकट्स पे। Mr. Pramod Kumar Babaji, was order cancelled before it moved to breach, or was it moved to breach and then the order got cancelled? The question is that. Kanika Bhatia, I've already answered the question regarding IMEI number. It is mobile identification code. If you're selling a mobile phone, only in that case it is required. Manju Patel, your question is, my account used to go inactive when I'm putting all my listings under Express, under procurement type, even after processing all orders within 10 minutes. Manju, it could be some other reason. I would request you to raise a ticket with seller support team so that they can help you in recovering from inactive to active. Pramod Kumar Babaji, yes, there is a time bond for order processing. Whenever you receive an order, there is a SLA time period. You can check your SLA, how many days it is. Is it 1 day, 2 day, 10 days, whatever your SLA is, within that time frame, you have to process your orders. Anil Kumar, your question is how to calculate height, length, breadth of packed t-shirt. The packaging material that you're using, you can take the dimensions of that. Ashwini Gupta, your question is, my parcel is showing transit, but this parcel not showing in logistic partner. Then how will send this parcel? Ashwini, I'm not able to understand your question here. It is not very clear. I would request you to raise a ticket with seller support team along with your order ID. Then only they'll be able to help you. We don't have any details, so we cannot check. We don't have access to check this. I would request you to raise a ticket with seller support team. They will be able to help you. But do mention your order ID also. Ravinder Ahuja, your question is, by mistake my staff packed Maharashtra order in plastic bag and courier return the package, return the package and Flipkart cancel my order. But from last 5-6 days, there is pending order showing in courier boy sheet. But in my order tab, there is no pending order showing. Every time they mark product as product not ready, due to which my performance gone down. Mr. Ravinder, can you please mention your order ID and this problem and raise it to seller support team? Then only they'll be able to help you. Metal items, I'm not able to understand your questions regarding black file. What is the black file? I am not able to understand this question. Can you please elaborate? Uma Parekh, your question is lots of time facing the problem for order process. Uma Parekh, whatever problems that you're facing, take down the order IDs, list it in one ticket and raise it together so that team can help you in one go. Our seller support team will help you regarding this. Mr. Ramesh, I'm speaking in English language. If you have any other concern, please let me know. Sharad Shankar, again, I do not have any detail of yours, so I don't know why you were not able to locate some of the FSN codes in the list. But whatever problems that you're facing, list down whichever FSN you were not able to locate in one ticket and raise it with seller support team so that they can help you in figuring out this problem. Raghav Singh, your question is, one order is stuck in processing from 5th September. We had created ticket, but issue is not resolved. Mr. Raghav Singh, can you please share your ticket ID? Neeraj Agarwal, please check your SLA. What is the SLA given to you for those pending orders? And you can raise a complaint with seller support team by mentioning your order ID, stating that it has not been picked up. Hasti is a very Flipkart Plus is a huge topic. I would recommend you to please attend a relevant webinar or raise a concern with seller support team. They'll give you a proper guidance. Neeraj Agarwal, our seller support team will connect you to eCard support. As of now, you will have to raise a ticket with seller support only. Mr. Rohit Patil, if you have already raised a ticket, please share that ticket ID with me so that I can take it up. Mr. Suresh Balaji, have you faced any issue with return orders? If yes, please raise a ticket with regarding the same. Dolly Hancock, we do these webinar sessions on regular basis. So whenever we are doing the next webinar session, you will get an email invite. You can register for the same. Also, don't worry, I'll be sending the recording link of the session to everyone. Once the session is over, it will come to your email IDs from which you have registered for this webinar. Mr. Sanjay Yadav, you have to generate a label once you receive the order. If you will wait for it, then it may go into breach also. Realme XT, in case if our logistic team is not serviceable in your area, only in those cases we assign it to third party courier service. However, if your orders are not being picked up, you can raise a complaint with seller support team. मेटल आइटम्स, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ऑर्डर्स मिले तो आप एक ग्रोथ वेबिनार अटेंड करें. उसमें आपको ऑप्शंस मिलेंगे कि किस तरह से आप अपना बिजनेस बढ़ा सकते हैं. सुषमा सिंह, हिंदी वेबिनार को रजिस्टर करने के लिए कोई स्पेशल प्रोसेस नहीं है. जैसे आपको आज के वेबिनार का इनवाइट मिला था ईमेल पर या एसएमएस पर, सिमिलरली हिंदी वेबिनार का भी आपको ईमेल या एसएमएस इनवाइट मिलता है. आप उसमें लैंग्वेज देखकर आप डिसाइड कर सकते हैं आप इंग्लिश अटेंड करना चाहते हैं या हिंदी. Next question is by Mr. Pramod Kumar Babaji. If the account becomes inactive, why it is taking too much to activate the same? Mr. Pramod Kumar, again, you have to raise the ticket with seller support team. They can help you regarding this. Until and unless your problems are resolved, your account cannot become active. अश्विनी गुप्ता, आपका ऑर्डर जो ट्रांजिट पर दिखा रहा है और वो लॉजिस्टिक पार्टनर के शीट पे नहीं है, उसके लिए आपको टिकट रेज करना होगा सेलर सपोर्ट टीम के साथ और उसमें अपना ऑर्डर आईडी जरूर मेंशन करें. Solomon, we'll do a separate webinar session in regarding smart fulfillment. It's a huge topic. Considering the time constraint, we'll not be able to cover up this topic at the moment. I would request you to attend relevant webinar. Sanjeev Sapra, whatever your order was not delivered and it has not been returned back to you, please take that order ID and raise a ticket with seller support team. Do not email them, raise a ticket. Hasti Zaveri, if you want to make your product with, if you want your listings have FA-short badge to it, then your order has, your listing has to be under one or more fulfillment program like Flipkart Fulfillment, Smart Fulfillment or Smart 2.0. This FA-short badge is considered as mark of quality and trust among the buyers. So when they see a FA-short badge on your product, they consider that this product is of good quality, and they tend to purchase product from sellers who have FA-short badge to it. रोमिक सुतारिया जी, अगर आपको एड्रेस चेंज करना है तो आप मैनेज प्रोफाइल में जाकर अपना एड्रेस चेंज कर सकते हैं. Pankaj Kumar, if you want to reduce the returns in Flipkart, then make sure that all your orders are being marked as RTD within the SLA. Try opting in for Express so that you can process your orders even faster. Mr. Pramod Kumar Babaji, I have already replied to your question regarding time bond for SLA. Shailu Rawat, there is no session required for cancellation and return charges. You can go to rate card section and check there for your particular category type. All the details are mentioned in the rate card. So you can check your rate card section. Ramesh Duraivelu, your question is, what are the consequences of courier return and what is courier return? Once your courier is returned back to you, it has been cancelled during transit. That is the courier return. And consequences is something only the return courier charges will be charged to you. पारस, जिवानी, आज के सेशन में हम स्मार्ट फुलफिलमेंट का डिस्कशन नहीं कर रहे हैं, उसका एक अलग सेशन होगा। हम आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं आप स्मार्ट फुलफिलमेंट का जो सेशन है वो अटेंड करें। Deena Dayal, please attend one of the growth webinar to know how to increase your orders. Rajendra Kapoor, this session was only about order processing for seller fulfillment. Hasti Zaveri, there is no formula to bring your products on first page. You have to work really hard. There are a lot of options that you can opt in and bring your product on top pages. Anjali Kukreja, your question is, I want to learn about listing properly, whom to approach. Anjali, we do a separate webinar session for listing. Please do attend that webinar. Mr. Ramesh Duravelu, you will not get to know about products that are selling in greater volumes. You need to decide what products you want to sell. Mr. Rishi Kapoor, have you raised a ticket regarding the mobile app issue that you're facing? If yes, please share the ticket ID with me. Mr. Pramod Kumar, I have already mentioned you to raise a ticket with seller support team. Even if you're facing the breaches, there must be some issue. We'll try to remove the breach if it was processed within the SLA. Request you to please raise a ticket. Rajiv, your question is how to create bulk listing. Please do attend listing webinar to know more about this. Giriraj, if you're not receiving orders lately, I would recommend you to attend one of the growth webinar and visibility webinar, which will give you more clarity what options you can use to highlight your products so that you can get more and more customers. Mr. Ramesh Duraivelu, you can attend one of the payment webinar to know how to check your payments. Mr. Pankaj, there are a lot of ways to reduce product returns. Please do attend relevant webinar to know more about this. And I've already answered this question in today's session, so please refer to the recording if you have missed the response. Sumit Arora, once you're printing shipping label, you will get copy of invoice also. It is mandatory. Realme XT, I've already replied to your question. Request you to not copy paste the same question again and again. Digvijay Singh, your question is any changes re-material for packaging? Mr. Digvijay, green packaging is the only addition to packaging material. There is no change, no other changes. Please attend one of the green packaging webinar in case if you want to know about that. Kulsum, yes, you will receive the recording of this session on your registered email ID. Pankaj Kumar, your question was answered. Mr. Raghav, thank you for sharing the details. मेटल आइटम्स, आपका सवाल है बल्क एक्शंस क्या है? बल्क एक्शन, अगर आप एक साथ बहुत सारे ऑर्डर्स प्रोसेस करते हैं तो आप बल्क एक्शन में जाकर अपनी पूरी लिस्टिंग फाइल डाउनलोड ऑर्डर फाइल डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं और एक साथ बहुत सारे ऑर्डर्स प्रोसेस कर सकते हैं. पैरामाउंट शॉपे, अगर आपको प्रोडक्ट गलत प्रोडक्ट रिटर्न आ रहा है तो फिर आपको SPF क्लेम रेज करना होगा. Rohit Patil, thank you very much for sharing the details. Bhavna Arora, this webinar is regarding order processing in general for seller fulfillment. Krupesh Parmar, your question is very confusing. Customer delivery charges apply to customer to zero, then it will be charged to seller. If you want to charge courier charges to customer, you can charge it to them on the selling price of your product. Above that, once the customer is making the payment, that delivery charges or shipping charges will be deducted and the money will be transferred to your bank account as per your payment cycle. Mr. Sriram Kumawat, your webinar recording will be sent to you on the email ID you registered for this webinar from. मनोज वर्मा जी, सेलर सपोर्ट टीम को रीच आउट करने के लिए आपको टिकट रेज करना होगा. Rishi Kapoor, I have already answered your question. Virendra Singh, please do attend one of the webinar on visibility and growth that will help you improve your customer ratings and reviews and your business. आलिया परवीन, अगर आपका रिटर्न प्रॉमिस डेट क्रॉस हो गया है तो आपको 60 डेज वेट करके फिर SPF क्लेम रेज करना होगा फॉर दोज प्रोडक्ट्स. Mr. Rohit Patil, I've received the details that you have shared. Will take your concern up. Alia, don't worry, seller support team will reach out to you. Paramount Shopee have already responded to your query. Please raise a ticket with seller support team, raise a complaint with them, and you can claim for SPF also. Sumit Arora, there is no requirement for Express. You can go to your listing tab and make changes to your particular listing as change the SLA type to Express. Rupesh Parmar, COD is choice by customer whether they want product on COD or they want to make the payment before that. You cannot decide on that. Next question is by Kuldeep Sharma. Do I need to follow up with Flipkart if return not received within timeline? Yes, Kuldeep, you can reach out to our seller support team. However, in case if your courier is not received within the time limit given to you, from the courier return date, you can wait till 60 days and then you can go ahead and claim SPF also. But meanwhile, you can also raise a ticket with seller support. They will respond back to you with the appropriate reasons. Shailu Rawat, courier return, there is charges applied, which is the return shipment charges. Nothing will be charged for the product, but it will be the return shipment charges. Mr. Virendra Singh, your question is what is the reason behind this? This session has been organized for sellers. If they have any doubt, all their questions can be answered in this live session. If you have any questions, you can post it. Devidas Sharma, your question is there any difference between shipping charges and return charges? Yes, there is difference. Shipping charges is when your product is picked up from your warehouse and it has to go to customer's place. That is the first shipping charges. Return shipping charges is in case if the customer has returned the product or they have not received the product and it has to come back to you. In those cases, when the shipment is again delivered from their place or from the logistic team to your warehouse, that will be the return shipment charges. I hope the doubt is clear now. Mayur Goyal, what is the issue that you're facing regarding thermal paper? If there is too much issue, you can raise a ticket with seller support team also. Mayur Goyal, your question is how can I process the orders through mobile app? Mayur, it is very user-friendly app. If you're facing any issue, you can anytime reach out to our seller support team. They will also guide you on this. Paramount Shoppe, I've answered all your questions. Rishi Kapoor, whatever problems that you're facing, I would recommend you to raise a ticket for the same. Then only we can help you. Until and unless you are raising a ticket, we will not be able to identify the exact issue because we don't have any of your account details. We don't have access to see that. Our seller support team will have access once you raise a ticket. Mr. Pankaj Kumar, there is no particular webinar which will only talk about reducing returns, but there are certain points like if you opt in for express delivery so that your orders can be picked up faster, that will help you in reducing returns. So you can opt in for that. The growth webinar guides you that if you fulfill your listing details clearly, whatever description that is written, if your product is as it is, then the returns reduces because whatever promise that you mention in your listing, the exact product reaches the customer. So there is no issue coming up in such cases. So these are the points that helps you reduce your returns. I hope that answers your question. Mr. Pramod Kumar Babaji, yes, you can use our seller app and you can process your orders from mobile app also. Anjali Kukreja, if you want to know more about return courier charges, please check the rate card section. That will give you complete clarity. Kuldeep Sharma, your question is, do we need to follow up with Flipkart for customer returns if not delivered within time? Kuldeep, I've already responded to this question multiple times. I hope you have received the answer now. If not, you can check the recording of the session as well. Mr. Virendra Singh, request you to please attend one of the webinar on visibility so that you can improve your visibility and searchability of your listings and get more orders. Pankaj Kumar, your question is, no plastic packaging is required for which countries? It is not countries, sir. It is state. Maharashtra state doesn't allow plastic packaging anymore. Deena Dayal, whichever webinar that you want to attend, you should be registering for that webinar at least. If you register, you will get a recording of that webinar session. So next, whenever the growth webinar is happening, please register for that webinar. Even if you don't attend, you will at least get the recording of that session. Manoj Verma, thank you for sharing the details. I'll take this concern up. Mr. Janardhan, are you talking about SPF for courier return? If that is what you're asking, then yes, you can. But depends on what the condition is. Just the courier return, if the product is absolutely fine, then you cannot claim SPF. If there is any issue with the product, only in that case you can claim for SPF. Arun Kumar, you can process through Seller app. You can process your orders through Seller app. Mr. Karthikeyan, I'm really sorry to know that you're facing issue with logistic person. I would request you to please raise a ticket. If you have already raised a ticket, okay, you have already raised a ticket. Can you please share the ticket ID with me so that I can take this concern up? मेटल आइटम्स मैंने आपको पहले भी कई बार मेंशन किया है, अगर आप अपने ऑर्डर्स बढ़ाना चाहते हैं तो आप प्लीज एक हिंदी ग्रोथ वेबिनार अटेंड करें. Okay. Dear attendees, we have already exceeded the time limit of today's session by 10 minutes. I'll take one or two more questions and I'll have to wrap up the session for now. So I'll try and answer one or two more questions. Sukun Parmar, your question is, what is the time limit to fulfill express shipping order? 2 hours. Mr. Manikandan Ramar, if you're facing issue with Sunday pickup, I would request you to raise a ticket with seller support so that we can update this issue with logistic team as well. Mr. Amit Bhalla, you're facing some issue on mobile app. It is not showing smart orders. Sir, it should ideally show the smart orders as well, but if you're still facing this issue, I would request you to please raise a ticket with seller support team so that they can help you with identifying this issue. Thanks a lot, Mr. Amit. Anonymous attendee, your question is, can we change the pickup address or email ID or mobile number? Yes, you can change this one by one. I would recommend you to reach out to seller support team or go to manage profile and make these changes and get it approved with seller support so that all these changes are updated in your profile. Mr. Ankit Garodia, yes, since you have missed the session initially, you will receive the recording of the session on your email ID from which you have registered for this webinar. Again, Mr. Ankit, the reason for return is the main concern. It is not that unnecessary returns are initiated by the customer. Please try and understand what are the reasons of return and try and work around it. Mr. Amit Bhala, yes, you can operate more than one or two Flipkart account in the same system. But you'll have to keep switching your accounts in that case. Thanks a lot, Mr. Amit. Green Height, your question is, two of your orders are reflecting under return and it is showing in return completed tab, but still you have not received your return product. Take down those order IDs and raise a ticket with seller support team immediately and raise a concern that you have not received these orders back. Sukun Parmar, I've already answered your question. Sukun, your question was already answered. The time limit is 2 hours for express shipping. So whenever you receive the order within 2 hours, you have to mark it as RTD. I hope the question is clear now. So thank you everyone. I hope all your questions were answered. There are few questions left. Our seller support team will reach out to you regarding those questions. So don't worry. We'll try and reach out to you separately regarding these concerns. Anonymous attendee, your question is regarding some return orders which has been initiated by the customer, but it has been 45 days since you have not received it back. I would request you to wait till 60th day from the return request date. After that, you can raise an SPF claim. So thank you very much everyone for joining me for this webinar session. Before ending this session, I would like to take a small feedback from you in order to understand, was today's webinar helpful to you? So I'm raising a I'm raising a poll. I would request all the attendees to please address this poll visible on your screen and share your feedback with us. This will be very helpful for us to understand how we can make this experience even better for you. Requesting all the attendees to please address the poll visible on your screens and share your feedback with us. I guess the poll is not visible to everyone clearly. I would request you to please check the poll once again. If it is not visible, please let me know. Thank you very much for your feedback, everyone. We wish to see you all again soon in other sessions as well. Okay. Thanks a lot for your kind feedback, everyone. We are really glad that you liked today's session. I'll have to wrap up the session now. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hope to see you all again soon. Thank you.